Let me tell you now a little story. Let me tell you now a little story.
DK Sound Productions. DK Sound Productions van de wereld.
Let me play the exclusive. I told them me play the exclusive.
Yeah man, when I want to listen to a real good DJ, I mash up the place. I draft a King Judah out of South Africa. Big bad selector. Yeah man, this is Papa Biggie. I'ma say one more gone on pon the dead sound list and two more gone on pon the dead sound list. Them violate DK and them get dismissed. Yeah man, and Papa Biggie said that.
Rat-a-tat-a-ting-ting, bang bang bang. Yo, King Judah, drop it again. Pan DK Sound Production. Blood-tot, Jack Clarity represent.
You coulda get in on my feelings. You coulda get me fi settle down. Biggie I hit and run. Biggie I hit and run. Me did only one in the dealings. Love you did I look you must sit down. Biggie I hit and run. Biggie I hit and run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze now. Jesus, I wanna make you feel so. Room me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need ya. Run the track. You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Miggy I hit and run. Miggy I hit and run. Let me tell you now a little story. Love you did I look you must sit down.
DK Sound Productions van de wereld.
Miggy I hit and run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze now. Jesus, I wanna make you feel so. Room me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need ya. It's enough for people know I keep it on a deal. I'm too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company. And a girl like me just wanna have fun and more money. But you up
DK Sound Productions voor de wereld. DK Sound Productions voor de wereld.
Yeah man, when I want to listen to a real good DJ, I mash up the place. I draw for King Judah out of South Africa. Big bad selector.